What's going on? It's facts you don't know. If it's your first time here and you want to find out new facts that will definitely make you smarter and more well informed, make sure to subscribe and activate the notifications bell so you don't miss anything.
For many people, the smart house is not the house that has a thermostat that responds to their need for heat, and it does not have a lock on the door that knows who's approaching it, or even a refrigerator that knows when the milk ends. But it's a comfortable, affordable, and well-located house. That's why the issue of building a house with good specifications and the lowest possible costs is the primary concern of the head of the family or spouses, and good planning for this step is an important element in its success. How can two birds be struck with one stone? Obtaining a home and saving money. The task of restoring ancient and fragile buildings and making them habitable places, or smart homes, is not an easy task altogether, as it requires a great effort from the human being in addition to good ideas, especially if the restorer does not have much money to do the job. These two spouses, called Michael and Julie, who live in the city of Toronto in the United States of America, succeed in this task as they bought garages that were attached to each other and decided to restore and reset them, and thus build a house for them so that they live in it. Not only did the couple build an ordinary house, but constructed an architectural masterpiece of 5 floors for a small amount, but its price later amounted to some millions of dollars, which surprised everyone. The husband, Michael, works in the field of engineering and building structures design, and when he notices that he managed to collect a significant amount of money, he and his wife decided to buy worn-out garages for $50,000. Those garages were located near the office where Michael works, and when he noticed that his owner wanted to sell them, he bought them for him, and the idea of converting them to a beautiful house came to him, an idea in which his wife agreed and supported him until the other. Michael starts designing a plan for the house he wants to build, and this was the most important part of the project, because he wanted to build a unique home. Then he demolished the garages and began building his house. The design of the house was a small tower consisting of 5 floors. Each floor has an apartment that differs from the other in the division and in the walls, and even in the type of furniture. The man mastered the construction of this house, as each floor was built with a specific architectural character and its own features. Also, the furniture on each floor mimics the interior decoration, which made each apartment distinct from the other. The house has become a small museum for visitors to visit. The engineer built the dream house on one hand, and on the other hand, he advertises for himself in order to bring customers to him in the future. The man was keen to have a beautiful balcony on the last floor, where he built the entire floor with glass, and provided his beautiful balcony, which overlooks a garden with trees, with chairs and tables where he sits in his spare time, in order to have tea with his wife. He also spelled out a small massage pool and covered it with glass, where Michael says he enjoys taking a massage session in the rain. Everyone who saw the house believed that it cost the owner a large amount, but in fact it cost him a small amount of no more than $80,000. But the man's touch was clear and made him look like a palace for a wealthy man. The man and his wife depended on making clear wooden walls, dividing each floor, and they resorted to tiling the floor with beautiful marble. But it was not expensive. Then they painted the walls and bought the furniture for each apartment separately. The stairs that Michael set were exceptional and impressive, as he set them on the side to keep the house spacious, and relied on iron and wood for its design, which made it look very beautiful. Many businessmen have offered significant amounts to Michael in order to sell his house, where some sources say the price reached $3 million, but the latter refused, because he considers it the fruit of great effort that he and his wife replaced, and decided to reside in it for the rest of his life. Michael and his wife have proven that good ideas can help us build a beautiful house at the lowest cost, because home decor does not require a lot of money in order to look beautiful and dazzle the viewers, but some good guesses can make it very impressive and rise to the reputation of those homes. The owner spent millions of dollars on them, despite the fact that his friends and neighbors were laughing at him when he started this project. But the amazing results have made some jealous and hope they own a house like his. Thanks for watching. Please like and share the video in social networks. We'll be right back to you as fast as we can.